How to remove professional account on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove professional account on Instagram, it is very simple to do so. Let's say you have the Instagram application and then you have a professional account here. If I just come to the profile tab, the reason you can know that I have a professional account is because you can see professional dashboard and all the creator and business tools. But let's say I want a normal personal Instagram account, not even private. Maybe you want private or personal, but you just don't want the professional account. To remove it, all you have to do is just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to simply go to this option known as settings. Once you come to settings, over there you'll find this option known as account. You want to make sure to tap on it, scroll down. Here you'll find switch account type, tap on it. Here you just need to select switch to personal account. Now if you're on professional account, it will say switch to business account. If you're on business account, it will say switch to creator account and so on. But you want to switch to personal account, so just look for personal option here, tap on this option over here and then just tap on switch to personal account, and then the professional account is going to get successfully removed from Instagram. Now when you come to the Instagram tab, now this is just a normal account without any professional tools or business tools. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.